Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll explore how plants grow, adapt, and survive through plant hormones and stress responses. If you missed our last episode on photosynthesis, light and dark reactions, the full playlist is linked below in the description. Here's a question. If plants can't move, how do they respond to challenges like drought, pests, or changing light conditions? The answer lies in their hormonal signaling networks, nature's way of letting plants sense and adapt to their environment. Plant hormones, the growth regulators. Unlike animals, plants don't have a nervous system. Instead, they coordinate life through chemical messengers called phytohormones. The 5 classic plant hormones are Auxins, control cell elongation and guide growth toward light, phototropism. Gibberellins, Ga, promote stem elongation, seed germination, and flowering. Cytokinins, stimulate cell division and delay aging in leaves. Ethylene, regulates fruit ripening and leaf shedding. Abscisic acid, Aba, the stress hormone, closing stomata to conserve water. Together, these hormones act like an orchestra, ensuring balanced growth and adaptation. Stress responses, surviving the environment. Plants face constant stress, and hormones are key to their survival strategies. Drought and salinity stress. Aba triggers stomatal closure to reduce water loss. Roots may grow deeper in search of water. Pathogen attack plants produce salicylic acid to trigger systemic acquired resistance, a kind of plant immune memory. Jasmonic acid helps defend against herbivores by promoting toxins or bitter chemicals. Mechanical stress. Ethylene helps plants adapt when squeezed in tight soil or exposed to strong winds. Temperature extremes. Heat shock proteins and cold response genes are activated by hormonal crosstalk. Case studies and real-world applications. Greenhouses. Farmers use ethylene to ripen bananas and tomatoes at the right time. Drought-resistant crops. Genetic engineering boosts ABA pathways to help crops survive water shortages. Plant defense. Understanding jasmonic acid signaling has led to eco-friendly pest-resistant crops. Golden rice, engineered using hormonal insights to improve nutrient content and growth. Why this matters in developmental and plant biology. Plant hormones and stress responses show how life adapts even without a brain or nervous system. For students, it connects molecular signaling, ecology, and agriculture, proving that plant biology is as dynamic as animal physiology. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, Charles Darwin's experiments on phototropism revealed the first hints of auxins. Present, hormone-based biotechnology is improving food security. Future, climate change will push us to design crops with stronger stress resistance through hormonal engineering. So that's our exploration of plant hormones and stress responses, the hidden language that helps plants grow, adapt, and survive in a changing world. In our next lecture, we'll switch from plants to animals and study animal behavior and communication, how creatures interact with one another and their environment through signals, sounds, and strategies. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss the next lecture. Because once you understand plant hormones, you see that even silent organisms have an incredible story of resilience to tell.